I'm over here. So right now, I'm at my bed. Right now, I'm over here. I'm chilling.
So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. We're going to start this one like this. Yo, take time, mama, you're choking. I might bread them like say you have water around here. More ma look fine. I'ma move some. Yo, don't jump, you know. Look like a little rat. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in the building. We don't have we don't want mini sauces.
Oh, I thought it was facing you. Your camera's nice. I look.
Magnificent. Spectacular. Show us
Pepper in it?
Who?
Pepper.
Yeah. Pepper,
Yo,
pepper,
Johnny
pepper,
said to cut me
spicy.
here, so me go cut me here. Me go cut it off.
Chabas are cutting
Finish
it.
video.
Where?
No, pepper in it already.
Like pepper? Or
Yeah,
just like,
pepper. Pepper.
Me I tell you.
Chabas, I'll tell you right now. Baked bean and rice. Because man eat like little pitney, man.
Spoon. Shovel.
No, as in, spread the rice and then
You
put
have
the
a
baby
mark
on it.
pepper.
Yeah, I'm not cayenne pepper.
We know,
Yeah,
yo, cayenne pepper, no, we have the regular bottle pepper.
Use
No,
it, use
I
it.
don't want the bottle pepper.
It's too high.
So we are going to eat.
You bought the red pepper?
Yeah,
Where?
the hot sauce. I see my waist trying. I look snatched. Get into it.
Super snatch.
Get into it. Wait.
Yo, now we congratulate Candy. She's losing weight.
I know I'm losing my stomach.
The weight strain and them should be in her belly.
It-
Ah! Oh my god! I wet my pants.
Every time I come over here, I swear.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are here. And as you can see, we have a lot of things like dim sum. And we have strawberry right there. Chabas over there packing out groceries.
Look at my vex, man.
Chabas Vex. But that's for another vlog. Man can't just go to supermarket to them both. Them just a pack out stuff. Yeah, when the video start back, when we start back, when we start shoot, then me I go start back the video.
Yo!
So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what about young people don't know the chop, you know. Pear and bulla is the way to go. You have Andrew Chambers over there, aka Andrew Chavez. You have Candy over there, aka Sexy Something.
Like,
What's up? Do something. Yeah.
Oh, the two red?
Yeah, so we have to take it off.
is this a trial?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm sticking my finger every.
Yeah, stick up middle finger.
Yeah.
Ladies and
More, a
gentlemen.
bit more. Seductive on that shit.
The headphones on?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yo, the man look light skin. All I wanna look like. What wrong with the middle finger?
I don't know. It's hard.
Ready?
Wanna ready? I'm here now with one now though.
I don't even know what's going on.
Oh, I'm gonna read it to you. Gentlemen, the vlog are going good. So far, the music video are going good. So far, we have one more left to do. Chabas in this side of the hair and makeup right now. Here without makeup. Candy over there. And Chabas over there. Which scene you do now? Solo, you're solo? Alright, so. Me think I go jump off the wall, you know?
So, As you can see with the set, we light up the room and add little pictures. But there I'll feel candy there right there. So remember, we're not showing you too much. Go watch the video in the link in the
Yeah.
Tell them candy. Yeah, man, I'm at team, so go and do team vlog. Move over there, some G's them.
Yeah.
And thing, yeah, so far. We're up on the next step, which is in the bathroom. And thing. Jesus Christ. So we are going to show now and be something. Polo! Move over there, vlogging. Polo!
Shine up, though.
Yeah, man, we eyed up a while ago. See me there in the mirror. Jesus
Can they ready
Christ,
to
we
jump
go watch
over
the
there
video.
now? The video is going to be lit, guys.
Where the bum? Yeah, man, I'm at you. Do it for your vlog.
So, uno ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think so.
You think so? Are we ready?
We ready?
Yeah.
Made ball. Hey guys, you like my new look?
I cut his hair.
She famous me. Me I got a barber shop tomorrow. No watch on videos.
My God, wash up tomorrow, the lady kind of like her look. But,
Blood clear, you like
yeah. So I'm going to wipe it when I'm done.
Jesus.
Where the mic? Look at my do see it. Come on. I eat whipped cream on my bed.
So, how was the shoot, guys?
Delicious?
A
No, I'm not
success.
delicious. I'm not team man. You go watch the video.
Yeah, the video already dropped already.
Oh, see you on the video.
So,
I need to somewhere that grape.
why you
Strawberry.
keep calling it chicken grape?
I'm Jamaican, man. Shit. No, wrong. Hey.
Hey, spray it, boy. Spray it with it.
Stop.
Hey,
Candy, stop
spray him with it. Spray him with it.
Stop that boots in.
Wait,
Remember
wait.
what last night?
Feed him.
What happened? What is that? What is that?
Remember what happened last night?
Hey, burn him with the light. He must run now. Yo, that no taste.
No man, it tastes good. Remember last night? Back up. Wipe it up. Me sheep new man, you can't do me that. You that toilet.
That one already settled in.
Yo, then strawberry, yeah. So are you afraid?
Bad.
That's salt. She put on them salt them so.
Around 6, 8 already.
No sleep for you wicked tonight. I shall be up with it.
Tell him say right now it's 2 o'clock.
Can't you stop? Remember last night? You did that show. You did that show. Yo, me you.
Look on his face.
You.
Yo, at 2 o'clock, got your bed. So ladies and gentlemen, right now I'm tired. We just done shoot. By the time you see the vlog, yeah, today Friday. I think Chabas now sleep tonight because I'm going to edit the video. Chabas just dropped him EP too. Chabas EP just dropped 12 o'clock midnight at 2 o'clock right now. So you can go check out that. Plus, by when you see the vlog, yeah, Dante there, because Dante is supposed to link with, so we're supposed to get a couple things done again there. So, when you look out for the vlog there. You can go over to Chabas TV page right now to watch the video where we just shoot. By the time the vlog is day out, the video go day out. Because right now at 2 o'clock Friday morning, and Chabas upload the video later, sometime in Friday, same Friday. Yeah. So we're going to pull an all-nighter tonight, stay up and edit the video and put it out later so you can get it. The vlog yeah, I go drop Saturday. You may drop the vlog yeah, Saturday, so we don't have a vlog for watch. So I just want to say blessings and respect to everybody who followed out and watch a vlog yeah. Big up on yourself. It was a nice, like a chill night. You know what I mean? Blue still there, blue. Me never tell you to jump up in here, my youth. Yeah, you man love jump up on me. Mad man. So yeah, blessings and respect for Father out and support the next vlog, you know what I mean? Monday make have a next one for us, so blessings and respect, mad move. Up it, no pity.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it.